Welcome back, Crammers, to question 23. Write down the value of x to the power of 0. No matter how big it is, anything to the power of 0 is simply equal to 1. Given that 2 to the power of negative 3 times 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 2 to the power of n, find the value of n. So when multiplying powers, we simply add them. So 2 to the power of negative 3 times 2 to the power of 9 is the same as 2 to the power of negative 3 plus 9 should give us 2 to the power of n. That means negative 3 plus 9 is 6 is equal to 2n. And since we only have to find n, we simply write the power, which is 6. Given that 7 to the power of 206 times 7 to the power of m divided by 7 to the power of 214 is equal to 7 to the power of negative 3, find the value of m. Again, when multiplying powers, you add. When dividing powers, you subtract. Let's see. So 7 to the power of 206 plus m divided by 7 to the power of 214, that's the same as subtracting. Subtract 214 is equal to 7 to the power of negative 3. We can forget the base here for now. So that means we can bring 206 and negative 214 to the other side. So that means m is equal to negative 3. We bring negative 214 to the other side, so that's positive 214. And we bring positive 206 to the other side, that gives us negative 206. Then we can put this into a calculator to find our answer. M is equal to negative 3 plus 214 minus 206. M is equal to negative 3 plus 214 minus 206. That gives us 5. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.